Hi, this is for Hasan. Happy birthday, anak. I'm glad I saw your message. My God, yung iba hindi ko pa nakikita lahat. I'm sure meron. I just want to thank you for loving and supporting me, and I hope to meet you very, very soon kasi ang tagal nang di ko nakikita kayong lahat. God bless you. May you stay safe, keep safe, ha? And stay healthy, and I wish you all of God's blessings. Love you. Mwah.
Nais kong batiin at sorpresahin si Haisan Ledesma Radillos. Happy birthday sa iyo. Nais ko ring batiin ng belated Merry Christmas at belated Happy New Year din. At isama na natin ang Happy Three Kings. At ganun din ang wish ko na maging masaya ang iyong kaarawan itong darating na January 15. Happy birthday sa iyo and surprise! Ingat lagi. Happy birthday.